New reaction tonight in a Target 12 investigation contract controversy. A years-long criminal investigation has come to an end. I'm Shannon Heggie.
I'm Mike Montecalvo. The Attorney General's office says Governor Dan McKee steered a multi-million-dollar state contract to the newly formed consulting firm ILO Group. Now a government watchdog group says they may take action themselves. Lauren Brill joins us now with the latest details.
Well, the Attorney General's report says that while the governor manipulated the state bidding process, it did not rise to the level of a crime. Meantime, the governor is saying that this report shows that no wrongdoing took place.
Talking to General Assembly.
Rhode Island Governor Dan McKee under scrutiny after a years-long criminal investigation found he improperly awarded a multi-million-dollar state contract to ILO Group, a consulting firm formed the same week he was sworn into office. A joint state police and attorney general investigation found while McKee steered the contract to the politically connected firm, prosecutors could not prove a criminal case beyond a reasonable doubt. John Marion, executive director of Common Cause Rhode Island, says there could still be an ethics complaint.
I would expect, we're going to look at the report and all the documents that came out and decide whether we would go forward with an ethics complaint or the Ethics Commission itself could move forward based on the evidence that came out today.
The probe was launched in fall 2021 after Target 12 revealed the unusual process that led to the contract being awarded. In a statement to 12 News, Governor Dan McKee says the investigation was a waste of time and taxpayer dollars, and the Attorney General's report, quote, confirms what we've been saying for years. No wrongdoing took place, and our priority has and will always be delivering for the people of Rhode Island. Marion predicts there will be a legislative response to make sure this doesn't happen again.
There have already been some changes made by the legislature to the state purchasing laws and contracting laws. I would expect, now that we know even more about how this was steered to these politically connected vendors, that the legislature might both do more oversight, but also potentially make some more changes to the law.
Republican State Senator Jessica De La Cruz says the governor should still be held accountable, calling on forming a new office to scrutinize public office holders and how an investigation like this is done.
And I think this really further highlights the importance of having an Office of Inspector General, an independent office, because I don't think that we can realistically expect Democrats to perform effective oversight on Democrats.
Now, the Attorney General and Rhode Island State Police will hold a press conference tomorrow morning to answer any questions about this investigation. In Providence, Lauren Brill, 12 News.